All right, I'm back in my Lincoln. It's an '01, by the way. This switch was going crazy on me for a minute. This is the original switch that came with the door, this whole module. And the driver's window would roll down and immediately roll back up. It wouldn't stay down. I had to do like weird yoga poses to, go through any drive-through window. So I bought a different switch and I bought the whole assembly. I got it from a guy on eBay. Now, I don't know if this is just the way this thing is programmed or not, or how this works, but when I put this switch in, the window started working, but my trunk wouldn't open, my key fob didn't work, a lot of stuff started not working right. And when I would, it was saying my driver's door was ajar, and it was kind of a clusterfuck, for lack of better terms. But what I did find out, guys, you can pop right here. You can pop this top piece off, and there's the circuit board, and it looks like the circuit board's just kind of pushed in, so you can gently pry it loose. I'm gonna see what I can do and see if I can't swap out just the switch with this, with the replacement, the one I bought on eBay, because all these switches work, you know what I mean? At least the ones I need to work. So we'll find out. All right, so inspecting this, my driver switch here is sticking, and it's kind of, I think the spring is broken in it. But fortunately, yeah, this is just a plastic cover that you can swap off with another one, which I have. I have a spare. I paid 50 bucks, basically. So I paid more than I probably should have, but see how it's kind of messed up? This is the circuit board. I know. I'm not being very safe with it, but it looks pretty clean. The buttons look okay. So I think we're going to be all right. All I got to do is swap out the switch covers, and we should be copacetic. Let's find out. Well, I'm using the fob to lock and unlock my doors. So that's a good sign, which means my trunk works, which it did. It popped loose. And let's see if these windows work like I want. Yes. All right. Okay. All right, guys, I'm happy. So this is a module, y'all. I don't know what it does and what it goes. I don't know if it has to be programmed to the computer or to the car or what. I did not undo the battery cord or anything like that. I probably should have, and it might have solved me some problems, but no, this is oh, and also you can't swap out this circuit board either. It's soldered on both ends. So to the main board in here, it's soldered, and into the smaller board, the switchboard, it's soldered as well. But I may keep it for spare parts. You never know when something happens, and maybe I'll figure out eventually what to do with it. Thanks for watching, guys, and Happy New Year.